Jasmine.
And I'm Hillary. We choose to raise awareness on hunger because hunger is food is a very basic right, and without food people can't survive. And so even though everyone knows about world hunger, not enough action is taken against it. So it's hoped that by issuing out this activity, people will be inspired to take action.
So now I'll explain our theme for the work for this event. Our theme is Remember the Hungry, but it's in support of the World Food Program, and it's a World Food Day here in our school. So why do we choose Remember the Hungry? Basically, at first we wanted to use the theme Remember Africa because there's been this big buzz about helping Africa in the past, and over time the buzz died down because people might have gotten desensitized. They didn't feel so caring towards the issue.
I think people cannot get used to the idea that there are many hungry, dying people out there in the world. But by this issue being something that has been here for a very long time, it does not make any of those lives less valuable. So we decided to place more emphasis on that.
We decided to change it to Remember the Hungry because hunger is not only prevalent in Africa but in the whole world as well. So we expanded our regions to the whole world, so remember the world.
So what have you asked all of your peers to do today in there?
Today we asked all of them to have just simple fare for food lunch today, having a bowl of porridge and some bread. We hope that through this simple fare they will acknowledge the hungry that are all around the world.
Okay, thanks so much guys, great job, thanks.